Chime debit card. Hello viewers, in today's video you are going to learn how to get Metal Chime credit card. So let's get started. First open a Chime checking account. Sign up online, it's free and takes under 2 minutes. Then set up direct deposit, ensure you receive qualifying direct deposits of $200 or more into your Chime checking account. Then apply for the credit builder card. Use the Chime app to apply for the secured Visa credit builder card once direct deposit is active. Then activate and use the card. When your card arrives, activate it and use it for everyday purchases. Make 40 qualifying purchases within 60 days using your credit builder card. Qualifying transactions include groceries, gas, subscriptions, and other regular expenses. After that, receive your metal card. After completing the challenge, Chime will send you the limited edition metal version of your credit builder card. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.